here I've just edited the manual tool selector to give you different sizes for how many tools are in the tool changer. I've expanded the tool changer now up to 20 tools. So if we open it up, you can see we have 20 tools on the screen, or 20 pockets. Pocket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, through to 20. Green pockets are any pocket with a tool number allocated to it is green, and the tool which is active at the moment shows up as red. So at the moment we have T6 in the tool 6 in the spindle, and I've allocated it now so that that is a maximum of 20 tools. But if I reload that now, I think I've done 6 tools, and you'll see it cleans it up and only leaves 6 tools on the screen. Okay, so however many tool changer pockets you've got will be shown here only. So only up to 6 showing now. We've got empty spindle up on the right hand side, and we've got the spindle warm-up routine on the left. So just to select the tool, we open this up, press a button, and it'll select, showing not enough air because there's no air on this test machine. Okay, that's pretty cool. It's working nice, repositions nicely. Job done.